Today we're cooking. I'm excited. Yesterday I made some red kidney beans and we ate them with rice and corn, and they were really good. So today I'm actually going to make some stuffed green peppers, but I'm going to use the beans as the base for the inside of the pepper. So I'm going to show you guys how I made the beans. So it's completely vegan. The beans is really rich in flavor. They were really good. So hopefully you guys try it. So if you guys try it, let me know in the comments below how you liked it. And yeah, I hope you enjoy it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I have a pot here. This is my trusty old rusty pot. I love it. I'm going to add to the pot. First I'm going to turn the stove on. And I actually have some things going on here already, so you probably hear the sizzling going on in the background. So I have some olive oil, and I'm going to add maybe like 1 to 2 tablespoons or a tablespoon and a half of olive oil. You can use any kind of oil that you prefer. I know if you are really super healthy, olive oil is a little bit heavy, so you can use coconut oil. That's a little bit lighter. I use coconut oil sometimes. I interchange my oils. I don't really have a preference. But today I'm going to use olive oil. So I'm going to let that heat up a little bit. And while that's heating up, make sure you put it on like a low, medium heat. While that's heating up, I'm going to come over here and over here I have all my veggies that I'm going to be using. So I have a whole red pepper, a cup of chopped celery, 3 garlic cloves. My spices are in that bowl. I have some celery and a whole red onion and a ton of cilantro. I really like cilantro, so you can use as much as you like. And I got half-eaten watermelon. That's not gonna go in your beans, but you know, if you have kids, you understand what that is. So, and in here I have 2 cans of rinsed kidney beans. So you can use the dry kidney beans if you prefer, but you just would have to soak them either overnight or boil them for a few hours, usually to make them soft enough. But I don't mind the can. I think the cans are good. The dry does actually taste better, but we're going to use the can today. So, to my pot, first I'm going to chop. I've already chopped everything else, but I'm going to chop my cilantro just roughly. Now, the cilantro, I'm going to add half of it now when I add all the veggies in. And the other half I'm going to add towards the end. The spinach I'm not going to add until the very end because the spinach cooks pretty quickly. Yeah, you can talk, bro. What do you need? For you guys and for daddy. Okay, so I'm going to bring you guys back over here.
Oh, hi.
Say hi. They can't see you. So you can stand up and say hi.
Hi.
Okay. So, to my pot, I'm going to add my onion.
I'm helping, right?
Yes.
Yes.
This is my little helper.
My name is Brooklyn. And make sure you check out Brooklyn's room.
I'm going to add the peppers.
Can I add the peppers? I'm going to add some of the peppers.
And I'm going to add the celery.
What?
Now yesterday when I cooked it, I actually had some white onion in there, but I ran out of white onion. So I'm not going to use it today. I'm just going to use the red onion. But you can add, relax. But you can add white onion if you have some.
Yeah,
It tastes really good with that.
white onion.
So
So me, so ready.
I'm going to smash and roughly chop the garlic.
Why roughly?
Because I like my garlic to be kind of chunky. Like it doesn't have to be chopped really fine.
Garlic powder. Mommy,
Yeah.
can I put in all the like, like this stuff?
Yeah, but not yet. Don't use it.
Oh! Okay, while she's doing that,
I have some Jamaican curry powder. It's like a tablespoon and a half of Jamaican curry powder. A half a tablespoon of smoked paprika. Some garlic powder, some adobo, some sea salt, some fresh ground black pepper, and I also have a tablespoon of sugar. Now I use organic raw sugar, but you can use any kind of sugar you want. If you're using regular sugar, I would use a half a tablespoon. So when your veggies start to cook down, they should start to look like this. And now is where you want to add the first bunch of cilantro. And now you can add your beans. Oh, no baby stuff. Okay. So I added the beans, and I'm gonna start with a cup of water.
Mommy, where's the sausage?
Over here. And to that, I'm going to add my spices. It may actually end up needing more water, but we'll see as it's cooking.
Let's go.
And I'm gonna cover it and let it cook. I added like a tablespoon and a half of more water, and now I'm adding the bay leaves. I have like 5 or 6 bay leaves. I love how bay leaves taste. You don't have to do that many. Dried bay leaves, not fresh. Okay, so this has been cooking for about 25 minutes. And now I'm gonna add my spinach. So I'm just adding, I don't know how much. Spinach really cooks down, so you can just eyeball it according to however much you want in there. Out of this mason jar was full, and you can see I added a little bit over a half. actually gonna add a little bit more. Let that cook. And I'm also gonna add the rest of my cilantro. Cover that and let it cook again for like 10 minutes. Over here I have some green peppers that I have taken off the top and rinsed the inside. I have the beans that we made, so they look like that. Yum. I have some brown basmati rice, and that's the packaging for that. And then for my husband, I actually have some sweet Italian sausage, so I'm gonna put this in his peppers. For mine, I'm just gonna use the beans and the rice, but for him, he's a meat eater still, so I'm gonna add some sausage in there for his. And yeah, so I'm just gonna take a spoon. And I'm gonna do.
You already finished.
I'm gonna do rice. And the bean mixture. And you can like press it down and stuff it pretty well. Okay, so everything is finished. So I have here some collard greens that I made in the crock pot last night. Well, overnight. I cooked them overnight. I have some plantains that I just sliced and baked. The stuffed pepper, and I put a little bit of the brown rice with the beans on top. And I'm also going to add some avocado to the plate. Let's cut it open. I'm gonna cut the pepper open so we can see what it looks like on the inside. And this is the one without the meat in it.
I hate this.
So all of those beans and rice and everything.
Rice. and
Yum! I'm gonna
and,
try it actually.
and doors and hair.
I love avocado. Really good. You can serve it with anything you want. This is just what I decided to serve it with.
Everybody subscribe to not eat avocado.
She said to subscribe to not eat avocado. I disagree. I think everybody should eat avocado. But yeah, so if you try this recipe, either the rice and beans by itself or and the stuffed peppers. Let me know in the comment section below. And keep watching because I have some more vegan recipes coming. Some more healthy recipes that I hope you guys are going to enjoy. But yeah, let me know how you like this one. Thumbs up this video, and I will see you next time. Bye, you guys. Love you.